So I first got involved in undergraduate research on an advising appointment with Dr. Sarah Formica. She had been doing previous research and invited me to join her, and from there out I got noticed by other professors and they invited me to join their projects, and it kind of snowballed from there out. Additionally, I worked with Dr. J.B. Sharma and Dr. Thomas Vogel to calculate heat loss from buildings using aerial imagery collected from drones outfitted with thermal cameras, and we can therefore calculate radiated heat from that data. Using both of my research projects, I was able to earn a national laboratory internship at Brookhaven National Lab. While at Brookhaven, I met a researcher who was doing projects in global development. Through conversations with him, I was able to figure out a future career path in global development that involved doing field work and getting a PhD, which I didn't previously think was possible. My undergraduate research projects have given me my first look into professional research, and they've put me on track for grad school.